Perumal, passing out from University of Moratuwa in the Department of Mining and Minerals Engineering in 1998. After passing out, I was involved as an instructor for 1 year in Department of Mining and Minerals Engineering, and now called as Earth Resources Engineering. After that, I was involved in geotechnical engineering as a material engineer in an investigation firm. Then I involved in major hydropower projects in a contractor team. A Kukulegang hydropower project for 2.5 years. Then I joined in Al Barak Crushers in UAE for large crusher plant. After completion of my career in that area, and I involved in one water supply project in Sri Lanka, Kagol water supply scheme. Then I joined in Apakatmala hydropower project, and I involved there major construction of tunnels, shafts, and dams and power cavern. Same time, I involved in various other civil construction even. So then I joined later again another water supply scheme in Kilnochi water supply scheme. After that, I came to irrigation project as a consultant for design and construction supervision. I joined in Kaluganga Headworks. Then I completed my job there about 2 years. Then I joined in Mahaweli Water Security Investment Program. In that project, I was involved in all projects in Mahaweli Water Security Investment. There are major 3 projects called NPC Canal and NWPC Canal and Minipe Irrigation Canal. So I was involved almost in the tunnel parts of this project, and I was worked as a RE position in Kaluganga Murugakanda Transfer Canal called KMTC, and I worked here 2 years. Then I involved in the whole other projects in this career. So this project where I sitting here is the Kaluganga Murugakanda Transfer Canal in between both tunnels. These tunnels are 1.9 kilometer and 6 kilometer. So where we are here, we are looking is the aqueduct number 2, which was constructed under this project. So in this my career, I used my gain knowledges from the University of Moratuwa, slope stability, tunneling, NATM as well as TBM, and other geotechnical investigation works. So I am thankful to the Department of Earth Resources Engineering, which called earlier is Mining and Minerals Engineering, all the staffs and other university members. Thank you.